Another day in court for one of the suspects in a mass murder from 2016. George Wagner was back in a Pike County courtroom today. He's trying to avoid the death penalty if he's convicted of the murders of 8 family members. James Pilcher has the very latest.
It was a very procedural day in the case against George Wagner IV, with the judge postponing a bunch of motions and rescheduling a major motion hearing for December. The two major issues still outstanding are whether or not George Wagner will have to face the death penalty in the April 26 killings of 8 members of the Roden and Gilley families. He's also trying to argue that the aggravated murder charges should be withdrawn. Younger brother Jake Wagner already pleaded guilty in April to all 8 murders, acknowledging and admitting that he killed at least 5 of the victims. Last month, his mother, Angela, also pleaded guilty to conspiracy charges. Jake's plea deal called for him to spend the rest of his life in prison. In exchange, he agreed to testify against any of his family members if he is called to do so, or if his family members plead guilty, they are supposed to take the plea deal off the table. Last month, Father Billy Wagner, who has still not pleaded guilty, argued that the death penalty should be taken off the table for him. But prosecutors successfully argued that it should stay in place until Jake and Angela either testify against their family members or if they plead guilty. Now that motion hearing is set for December 22nd back here in Pike County, and George Wagner is set to go on trial in April of 2022. In Pike County, James Pilcher, Local 12 News.
Now, George's father, Billy Wagner, also tried to have the death penalty dismissed from his case, but the judge denied that request.